Supplying prototype fabrication services to leaders in the automotive world, Btb Exhausts utilise specialist engineering techniques to create the best solutions in the industry. Let's see how Btb provide engineering expertise at its finest and find out what else they are capable of. Trusted by some of the industry's premier marques, Btb's expert engineering practices and services have been employed by a wide variety of leading international companies. With the ability to work in a variety of batch sizes from one-offs up to 300 car sets per year, Btb is the ideal research and development prototyping partner for automotive OEMs and niche vehicle manufacturers. Their fully equipped facilities are managed by expert craftsmen with the ability to manufacture precision assembly jigs directly from CAD, engineering sheet metal through various production stages, including on-site CNC mandrel tube manipulation, TIG welding and automated seam welding to provide high-quality parts and solutions. Employing flexible design and production methods, Btb can assist in a variety of areas, including packaging, heat management and emission levels, not to mention noise analysis and silencer design. Btb also have an on-site digital measuring service available for either confidential or incomplete vehicles. They can tailor their services to meet your specific needs. If you're looking for quality engineering solutions from some of the best craftsmen in the industry, then you've found it.